Hey guys, today we're going to be cooking up some beef tenderloins and some steamed broccoli. Let's get started. So what we're going to use to season our steaks, we need some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika. Take your salt, don't be shy. Black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, alright, let's grab a fork, flip those bad boys over. Okay, there. Grab your salt again. And just repeat. Now we're gonna give those a good pat, massage all that seasoning in there, flip them over, other side, flip them again, get all that seasoning off the cutting board, and we're just gonna let them sit for like 10 minutes. Let that salt absorb in there. It's gonna be delicious. Give your hands a wash. Right? Get them nice and clean. Alright, got our steaks all seasoned up. Got our broccoli here. Let's get our pans ready. Alright, so first things first, gotta get our pan on the stove, a frying pan. Turn that on medium-high heat. Also, while that pan's getting nice and hot, grab a small pot, put that over here, add a minuscule amount of water to it. It's gonna be for our steamed veggies. Make a mess, wipe it up. Next thing we do, grab our oil, put some of that in your pan. Alright. Let the oil heat up here. Give it a shake. Grab your steak. Don't want to crowd the pan. Let's see if we got too much for this pan. 3 or 4 only. Let's see. Alright, 1. Want to hear that sizzle when you put them in. That's alright, we'll do all of them. Put that in the sink. Alright. Now we watch them cook. At the same time, can turn this little pot on here, high heat, and get that water boiling. It's gonna be delicious. While we're waiting for them to cook up, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment below, hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I put out a new video. These are only gonna take maybe 3 minutes each side, then they're good to go. Alright, so we'll just give these a little check, see how they're doing underneath there. Oh, looking delicious. Woo! Gonna be good eating tonight. Alright, water's boiling for our broccoli. Go ahead, throw that in there. Put a lid on it. Steaks look like they're ready for flipping. Alright. Let them get fried up. Just give our broccoli a quick check here. Still a bit tough. Probably about 2 more minutes for the broccoli. Steaks are looking about done. Give them a little shake. Have a peek. Oh yeah, those are looking delicious. Alright, these are done. Go ahead, get these off the heat. Bring them over the counter. Alright, so those are done. I'm going to bring them over here to the counter. Throw them on a plate. Alright. Alright, set the pan to the side. Gonna let these sit for as long as we cook them. So that's about 6 minutes. So our broccoli is done. Woo! Check that out, huh? Nothing like some fresh steamed veggies. Let us know what's your favorite meal. Maybe we'll give it a try.